Namaste everyone, welcome back to my channel. So on this last Sunday we have gone to Durgam Chervu Cable Bridge or Hanging Bridge, which was recently inaugurated on 25th of September 2020. So as soon as it opened or inaugurated, many people have come there for morning walks. So we also went there for morning walk and shot some bites. And that afternoon we have gone to Kukatpalli shopping. Then after our shopping at night we have gone to Cable Bridge again. You can see the lighting and everything, so watch till end. We also walked on flyover near IKEA. So this is the evening. We have completed our shopping at Kukatpalli, and on return to home we went again on to Cable Bridge or Hanging Bridge, and we'll see the lighting over there. So come on. So this is the Cable Bridge. It was inaugurated by the Telangana's Minister for Municipal Administration and Urban Development K.T. Ramarao along with the Union Minister of State for Home G. Kishan Reddy. K.T. Ramarao described this bridge as another jewel in the city of pearls. So Hyderabad now added a new landmark on Friday with the opening of extra-dosed cable-stayed bridge across Durgam Chervu Lake in the high-tech city. Durgam Chervu Cable Bridge, built as the world's longest span concrete deck extra-dosed cable-stayed bridge. It was thrown open for the public amid dazzling fireworks which lit up the skies. It is 233.85 meters long bridge, built at a cost of 184 crores, will be an added recreational point and tourism attraction in the historic city of Hyderabad. Officials say 4,800 metric tons of steel, 428 tons of high tensile strand, 287 tons of stay cables and 26,600 cubic meters of concrete were used in the construction of the iconic structure.
Hey guys, I'm in Cable Bridge in Hyderabad. Morning we have come here and this is night. See the lighting over here. And this is the Durgam Chervu. Only full of lighting. I think they're wasting energy. Cable Bridge or Hanging Bridge. Okay, bye.
So everything was sourced from India except for the cables that were procured from Germany. A key feature of the structure is architectural lighting, which will add to the beauty of this attraction during holidays, festivals, and special occasions like Independence Day and Republic Day. There are 25 different themes of the multicolored lighting depending on the occasion. This project has cut the distance between Jubilee Hills and Madhapur by 2 kilometers and is expected to ensure smooth flow of traffic from Jubilee Hills towards Mindspace Junction and other parts of IT district.
We are at the ending of the Cable Bridge. These plants here.
Now we are on the road which is a continuation of Cable Bridge. We got down at Jubilee Hills and we took a U-turn. And again we are moving towards Cable Bridge. So you also make a journey with us. So on the flow, like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel Ritaleka. I post most of the dance videos, music videos, travel vlogs, shopping videos, beauty vlogs, unknown facts, tips, videos on arts and crafts, about nature, pets and many more, because life is about everything. So stay tuned and stay happy. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.